What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going on a big old cruise out in LA. I had a couple friends hit me up saying that there's gonna be like a big Evo cruise out in Angeles Crest today. So I decided to go make a vlog for you guys because like I always say, you guys are always supporting the channel. And if you're actually new, if you've never seen any of my videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because I'm always uploading sick videos just like this one. What up? Damn, I didn't think you were gonna make it here, dude.
It's automatic.
It's automatic. Oh. Hopefully we get some runs in with this little guy here. How much power are you pushing? Like 600, huh? Don't lie. Yeah, this thing's quick. This thing beat Gene's Evo 10 from a dig, so this thing's no joke. I did run it a long time ago and it was like dead even, so hopefully with a build trans, which is not broken in yet, I'm able to take them now, so we'll see later. What is that, a drone?
Yeah, footage.
You know how to use it? You're gonna crash it? And we have Gene's Evo 10. It's full bolt-on, E85, makes around 400. So this thing pretty much makes around the same power as me. And we're waiting for one more homie with an Evo 10 as well, so he's always running late. So once he gets here, we'll probably head out to LA. All right, so Ali's running late, so he's just gonna meet us at the Evo location where everyone's meeting up. So I'm gonna head out with Gene and Kiko here. And yeah, let's see what happens. That was a good run. I actually got like my gearing good right there. This build trans is freaking dope. To the location, unless they left already or something. Or what up? Where's everyone at?
I don't know.
Did they leave already? There's two wheels right there. Damn, that one's clean with the gold wheels. I don't know where they're at. What up?
Goody, bro.
What's good with you, bro? You're all late to the freaking gas station. So we got some.
You owe me some E85.
What?
That's all I know.
Oh, he needs E, so I gotta save his ass. Here. I'm a good friend. I'm a good.
Look at him, bro. I'm gonna record this. I'm proud of you.
Magic. What happened to your nose?
Fucking Darius, bro.
Oh, your cat?
Yeah. He woke me up like that, too. Straight up jumped on my face at 4 a.m.
T37, that thing. So we're gonna park here.
I think I need more.
Shut up. We got the GTR, more Evos. This Evo's clean. T37s. Damn. Hey, for reals, I had gold wheels on my Evo at one point. It doesn't look bad though. GTR, Evo, these are 57 CRs, MR. Oh, we got another Camaro, look. Oh, it's a Z01 though. All right, we're all gonna head out and put you guys back on the GoPro. Let's go hit this canyon. Got a bunch of Evos in the back. Guess we're leading. Sick ass run. Damn, bro. That's what happens when you bring a Subi to a Evo cruise. Damn. You got scared. Is your lower hose or what? You gonna launch it? Oh snap. Thing's loud. This is on slicks. Crazy.
Like this design, that color. What? The cord? No.
That was cute. Hey, Miguel DSM. Oh shit, he's coming. That's funny, bro.
Do a donut.
Yeah. Oh, it's a GST too. Hey, it's a GST Spider. Hey, it's turbo. That's on me, bro. All up on me, bro.
Miguel, this could have been you.
It's a GST, bro. Whole lot of Evos now. Damn. All right, I'm gonna roll a quick cinematic for you guys of all the cars here, and then we'll go on from there. Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
go back down the canyon and get something to eat real quick. So a couple of us left down. We all gotta find parking, but we're gonna get something to eat real quick. We're starving. In your car? And check this out. Dang, you're almost done already, bro. We're out here eating. Alright guys, so we just finished eating. That's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little different, more GoPro footage and stuff like that. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. But for now, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you